Bitcoin is doing something massive right now. It is flipping previous resistance that stems all the way back from 2017 into support. This is known as a resistance support flip. This is exceptionally bullish. We went all the way up to 123K on this rally, and now we're giving some of it back. But what is the level that Bitcoin's finding its support at? It's finding its support at that trend line that I've been talking about now for many, many, many months. This, to me, is a very bullish sign. And whilst all of this is going on, we just had bullish news come in for CPI, a fifth consecutive month lower than expectations, and we are seeing risk come back into the markets. We're seeing Bitcoin dominance drop, and we're seeing certain altcoins absolutely explode today. If you go and look at the top 100, you can see what are the biggest gainers. It's meme coins. Meme coins are the biggest gainers. That is a sign that we are coming into an altcoin season, if not that we're already in it in the beginning stages. And Bitcoin dominance is also starting to come down. We can see Bitcoin dominance is at 64%. It's rejected off this 786 fib level that I've been going on about now for as long as I can remember. Clear rejection. Please ignore all the little drawings on the chart. Sometimes I accidentally click on the pen, but you can see the 786 fib level of 66% has caused a rejection. We're coming down now on Bitcoin dominance. My next target is 61%, and if we break below that, then I'm targeting 54 or 52. There's potentially a major rally coming in now for the altcoins in the coming weeks. This is further validated by the fact that on the day, we have Bonk and Pengu as the two biggest gainers, drastically outperforming Bitcoin. When you see these types of things happening, that is usually a prerequisite of a massive altcoin season to come, because risk is coming back into markets. Now, if you want to join a group which literally never ever sleeps, I highly recommend joining my VIP group, link down below in the description. You can join and you can get my real-time buy and sell alerts, and you can gain access to a Discord server which literally never sleeps. Every single second of the day, there's people in here talking about the market, sharing economic news, talking about low cap gems, finding the next winners. Guys, you really don't want to miss out. This group is definitely for you. Now, since I said I think markets are going to go risk on because you've got obviously Bitcoin dominance dropping, Bitcoin dropping whilst altcoins are holding strong, and you've got a breakout structurally on the top 3 chart, I think it's time to be looking at meme coins. I really do. Now, I already have a decent amount of my portfolio allocated towards meme coins. I've got some Fartcoin, I've got Ponky, NPC, memes like those. But there's a specific sector of meme coins which I'm personally betting on, and I think it's going to do tremendously well. So I'm going to discuss those in this video. Now, you may be wondering, why have I got Say up on the screen right now? That is because I'm talking about meme coins on the chain of Say. We've already seen this cycle meme coins do well on a plethora of chains. It is a myth that they've only done well on Solana. We've seen meme coins on Tron go to hundreds of millions in market cap. We've seen meme coins on Sui go to hundreds of millions in market cap. The one chain which, in my opinion, is up and coming and going to be a major layer one this cycle that hasn't seen meme coins go really high would be Say. And I'm going to share with you my 2 favorite meme coins on Say. The first one is Milli Token. This one has a $3.8 million market cap, and it is the dog meme coin for Say. This is one where I think there could be massive upside potential. It's still below its all-time highs, and it's still literally just a $3 million market cap. 100x on this puts it at 380 million. I'm not saying that's going to happen, but I'm just putting it into context how small and tiny this thing is. The other meme coin on Say that I think is also a bit of a decent bet would be Saiyan Token. I like the name. It's got Say in the name, so when you search for Say, this meme's going to come up. And it links to anime, which a lot of people in crypto like. Me personally, I've never watched an anime in my life, so I couldn't tell you anything about it. But apparently, it's pretty popular, and you know, it's got kind of like a cult following. So this type of meme could do pretty well. Now, this one has a $3 million market cap, and you can see as well, it's significantly below its all-time highs. So Saiyan is another one where I think there is potentially huge upside potential, especially if we see Say go to the market cap levels that we all expect. Say is at a $2 billion market cap. I personally think it's got it in it to go potentially 10 to 15 billion in market cap this bull run. And if that happens, we could see one of the biggest meme coins on, say, get to many, many hundreds of millions in market cap. Some would even potentially say billions in market cap if we have a meme coin cycle, or kind of like a meme coin based cycle where meme coins are the general outperformers. Now, you guys know I like my cultural meme coins as well. NPC would be one of my favorite bets for that kind of cultural meme coin narrative. And a smaller one, which I like, would also be Troll token. Troll on Sol, 0.013 per coin right now. I think this one's very cheap, $13 million market cap, and it ties into that cultural meme coin narrative. Another one which is pretty good, which I personally don't hold, but I think has massive potential, would be GigaChad. Another one that's very popular. It's a well-known cultural meme, and yeah, I think this one has pretty good potential. So that's gonna wrap up today's video, guys. I do appreciate you all tuning in today. As I say, markets are looking good. We've got breakouts across the board on altcoins, whilst Bitcoin dominance is dropping, and it's only dropped a little bit. I mean, it hasn't dropped crazy, so there's still a long way to go, even for it to get to, you know, those kind of fib levels that I've been talking about. You can see those fib levels are still way below us. And, you know, a 5% drop on Bitcoin dominance is a phenomenal amount of money flowing into altcoins, potentially. So that's something that we also need to bear in mind. You don't need dominance to drop that much to see a lot of, you know, gains, especially if you're holding the clear winners, which I certainly am. And so are my VIP members. So I highly recommend you guys come on over to the VIP if you want to see what I'm buying in real time. And you can actually talk to myself on voice chats. I'm in this group literally 24/7. Whenever I'm awake, I'm in the group talking to the members on voice chats, talking to them in the text channels, looking for opportunities, discussing the economy, and discussing exit strategies. So check it out. If you want to be in the know for this crypto bull run, this will give you the competitive edge that you need to come out on top against the rest of retail. Appreciate you guys watching. Smash a like and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.